Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, November 9th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there and some light spotty showers. Only been really seeing trace amounts of rain accumulation across the area, and that'll continue throughout the day today. And then as we go towards the early evening hours, we're going to see a better chance of rain and possibly even a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Taking a look at our conditions across the air from yesterday, highs across the mid-Atlantic were generally near 60 degrees for all locations. Here at Wallops, we got to 60 degrees. The warm spot was Norfolk down to 64. This morning we did see some lows a little bit more mild than we would expect for this time of year. Here at Wallops, we got to 50 degrees, and so did many other locations saw temperatures just below 50 degrees, with the cool spot being Dover with a low of 43. Like I mentioned, we've been seeing some light scattered showers across the region this morning. Not really picking up a whole lot of rain accumulation. Most rain accumulation we've seen is at 0.03 inches at a couple spots. Here at Wallops, only receiving a trace of rain. And then Salisbury hasn't really picked up any at all as of 9 a.m. As of 9 a.m. across the region, seeing temperatures in the upper 40s to mid 50s. A little bit warmer down the Tidewater here at Wallops, where we are near 60 degrees as of 9 a.m., already reaching 60 degrees as of 10 a.m. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, seeing some easterly winds near the surface. A little bit breezy this morning, just below wind advisory criteria levels for most of the morning. Just above the surface, though, we're seeing those winds weaken a bit between 3,000 and 6,000 feet from the south or southeast, only running around 10 to 15 knots, and then becoming southwesterly above 6,000 feet for the remainder of the column up to 25,000 feet, gradually increasing up to 55 knots between 20 and 25,000 feet. Seeing a freezing level this morning just above 10,500 feet. Taking a look at our satellite radar loop this morning, seeing those spotty scattered showers across the region here on this radar loop. We are seeing a little bit of a break. We actually saw a little bit of blue sky out there in the past hour. We do anticipate, though, these clouds to thicken up again in the next couple hours here as we get some more shower activity moving from the south. Looks like these light spotty rain showers are going to continue through the early afternoon hours. And then we're going to get a warm front moving across the area as we go towards the late afternoon into early evening time frame. It looks like the best time will be after between about 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. That's when we're going to see those rain chances increase a bit, as well as giving us a slight chance of a thunderstorm. So taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that system making its way eastward across the country. Can't really see the warm front depicted on this map here too well, but it is going to move up across the area as that low approaches. That's going to give us our uptick in rain chances tonight. Also going to give us a high temperature today. That's going to be a little bit later in the day than normal. Probably going to be seeing that high hit just before sunset this evening, and then we're going to be seeing that chance for some more moderate showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm between about 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. And then this front's going to move across later in the night, and we'll see that colder and drier air move in tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our forecast charts here, this evening you'll be able to see that that warm front there. That's what's going to give us our little bit of a chance of a thunderstorm later today, as well as an uptick in our rain chances. Then as we go towards tonight into tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a lull in the rain between about midnight and 4 a.m. between that warm front and the main cold front. As the main cold front passes, we are going to be seeing a little bit of an uptick in some scattered shower chances between about 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. tonight. And then after that, we're going to see those northwesterly winds quickly increase across the area. And it's going to be a bit breezy, especially tomorrow morning, and that's going to help to really quickly clear out the clouds as that colder and drier air mass starts to move in. So we can expect a chilly and breezy day for our Saturday. Going into a Saturday afternoon, we're going to start to see those winds weaken as that cold air mass gets into place, as that high pressure continues to build across the mid-Atlantic. And then Sunday, that high should be firmly across the mid-Atlantic, and it's going to be very chilly on Sunday. Temperatures will struggle to reach 50 degrees, and Sunday morning is going to be very cold across the areas. We're going to have high pressure in control, as well as calm winds and clear skies. So we are expecting widespread temperatures near 30 or a couple degrees below that, possibly across the Delmarva for Sunday morning. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, It's going to be seeing those chances for light scattered rain showers as we go through the bulk of the workday here. It looks like there's going to be a little bit of a lesser of a chance as we go towards the mid-afternoon hours, expecting the temperature to hover near 60 degrees for much of the day before that warm front approaches, then bumping up to 64 degrees. After 4 p.m., we're going to be seeing those rain chances slowly increase as we get that warm front moving across the area. Those winds are going to shift southeasterly to southwesterly, giving us a chance for some more moderate rain as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm. And then as those winds shift more southwesterly to westerly between about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., going to be seeing a little bit of a lull in any rain chances there. But after 4 a.m., we'll have that main cold front pass. That's going to give us a little bit of a better chance for just some widely scattered shower activity. Going to be seeing that low pretty late in the morning tomorrow at 46, and then temperatures are going to pretty much hover at that level throughout the day on Saturday. As we're looking at our winds, we're going to start the winds off here this morning easterly, then turning southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, and gusty this afternoon and into early this evening. Then after we get that round of more moderate rain early this evening, those winds are going to shift southwesterly around 12 to 17 knots and gusty, then shifting westerly overnight. And then as we get that main cold front east of the area by the pre-dawn hours of Saturday, those winds are going to shift northwesterly, and we are expecting gusts tomorrow around 30 to 35 miles per hour, and that is going to due to that high pressure building in, and that's also going to help to usher in that colder and drier air mass for our Saturday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are seeing a little bit of a break in the clouds as of 10 a.m. We do anticipate that to continue for the next couple hours. Still looking at a slight chance of seeing a rain shower, and 2 p.m. we should see those clouds increase again, with ceilings dropping back down to around 2,000 feet with scattered showers in the area. After 4 p.m., looking at those ceilings possibly being as low as 1,000 feet, especially in any showers or thunderstorms. And then tonight, looking at the possibility of ceilings below 1,000 feet at times. And then after about 6 a.m. Saturday, that's when we're going to see those clouds start to really clear out as that high pressure starts to build in, only becoming scattered at the lower levels and some broken decks at 7,500 and 15,000 feet by 8 a.m. tomorrow. And then after 8 a.m., we'll see those clouds be pretty quick to clear out. So tomorrow, we're going to be looking at partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, with partly cloudy early and then becoming mostly sunny by afternoon. It is going to be breezy and cold tomorrow, expecting wind gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Highs are going to struggle to get to 50 degrees. Saturday night, as that high pressure moves overhead and we get some clear skies and calm winds, that's going to really cool things down. Expecting a low of 30 degrees here at Wallops. Likely will be colder only into the upper 20s across more central portions of the Delmarva. Wouldn't be surprised to see some temperatures in the mid-20s in a couple isolated spots as well. Then Sunday, going to be seeing some mostly sunny skies again early as that high pressure remains in control. It's going to be seeing those clouds increase late in the afternoon into the evening, but still going to be a cold day out there for Sunday with a high, once again, of 50 degrees with some calmer winds compared to Saturday. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we're going to just be seeing that rain today. Rain should be done by 7 or 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we're going to have that cold high pressure in control with a drier air mass in place, and that's going to give us some mostly sunny skies for the weekend. I'm only expecting those highs near 50 degrees. Some spots may even struggle to get to that warm. Sunday morning is going to be very cold across the region with freezing temperatures. And then we're going to, on Monday, start having a system begin to approach the area from the south. It does look like it's going to be dry for most of the day on Monday, with just clouds increasing throughout the day. Also going to be seeing those temperatures start to increase a bit. Going to be seeing that low in the upper 30s Monday morning, and then quickly increasing throughout the day to 56 degrees. Not expecting really the temperature to drop from Monday night into Tuesday, as that is when that system coming up from the south looks to impact the area. Looks like best chance of rain is going to be after 8 p.m. Monday evening. Could be seeing an isolated shower or two a couple hours before that, but it does look like it's going to be rather rainy out there and breezy, as well as that pressure gradient really tightens up across the area. So Monday night into Tuesday for our interiors rollout does look to be a little bit miserable out there, with rain in the area as well as breezy winds. Any thunderstorm chances for Monday night look to be very, very slim, less than 10% at this time. So that's not going to be really a concern at this time, just that rainy, windy conditions, and then that rain will linger into the day. Tuesday is going to be some southwesterly winds on Tuesday, so that'll help the temperature get up to 65, and then rain should end by early Tuesday evening. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be having some high pressure move back into the area. This looks a little bit colder than the high pressure we're going to see this weekend, and so we're going to see some possibly see some breezier winds early Wednesday as a high pressure builds in. But as you can see, we're only expecting those temperatures to get into the mid 40s for Wednesday. Very cold day out there. Thursday morning, that high pressure looks to really start to be in control across the area. We do anticipate those winds to calm down as high pressure settles over the mid-Atlantic. It's going to be a very cold morning out there on Thursday of 30 degrees, possibly even a couple degrees colder than that. And then Thursday is another chilly day out there under mostly sunny skies for with a temperature of 47. So it does look like the weather is going to be mostly clear out there for our Antares launch, but it is going to be rather cold. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.